Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to light my smoker so I can go into my beehives. The first thing I need to do is get some paper here. It won't take much, just wad it up. A few matches. I keep them in a plastic container so they won't get wet. I've got a beat up old striker here that I've seen its last days. But we got fire. So we start it right there. And maybe put a second piece in here. Now we put it out a little bit, so let's just give it a little puff, make sure she's going. There she's going, that's good. I'm going to stick a third in just for the fun of it. That way we know we're started. So let that burn just a second, and while we're doing it, we'll stuff in some dry pine needles. Look at that. Looks like we've got a good smoker going. Put another one handful in. And for today I think that's going to be enough. If you notice, I've got a little fire pit here. When I want to put my smoker out, I can put the fire in here in this hole, pour a little bit of water on it, and I'm done. So there, I think we're really good to get started here. Let's get started working on some bees. Today, I'm going to do an inspection on this little 8-frame hive here. I chose it because it's a little more than sunshine. Got my little kit here. And the first thing I'll need is a hive tool, which of course is down the bottom of the box. So we've given them a little smoke. Let's open her up and see what's going on. Ah, looks like a nice set of bees. A little moisture in there, and I see a hive beetle. He's a dead one. Now he is anyway. First thing I'm going to do is take out this feeder because, well, it's empty and they really don't need it. So basically, knock the bees back off of that. And in our hive, we have 4 frames of bees, 5 maybe. So basically this is a nuke. Very calm nuke. Nobody's doing anything. I don't see a queen here. Not very much in that frame. But lots of bees. So let's take a second look. A little heavier. Got some beeswax built up there. And got a little bee doing a dance. A couple of them. They must have found something somewhere. I don't see the queen here either. Maybe some drone cells have hatched out. I'm going to knock a little bit of wax off of here. A little burr comb. I'll put that down beside here. It's being caught by the lid. Look how calm those bees are. They don't even seem to notice I'm here. But they are directing somebody to something because there's several of them doing little dances. So there we go there. And again, I don't see the queen, but I do see the bees doing dances. Now, this is a beehive that the queen was superseded last year. She still seems to be doing a good job this year. However, I'm not seeing a lot of brood. Did see some. One queen cap that's dry. Two queen caps that are dry. So I'm guessing she's in here somewhere. Let's see if we can't get that wax off of there. Isn't that nice? They're not seeming bothered to be at all. They don't care. You tell me, what do you think? If I'm not seeing any brood, and I'm not seeing much stores, there is some brood in here. Don't see a queen. Okay, I'll just take that wax off of this one too. Now there's some brood there, kind of spotty. Little queen cap. Ah, there's some fresh brood there. Some open brood. It looks good. I don't see that queen. Okay, we got brood. So I'm thinking there's a queen here. She's not doing the best job ever, but we'll see. Now, that's about nuke size. So I may go in and replace the queen next week when I get some more queens. This is such a calm hive. I hate to see that happen, but we may have to requeen it. But because we're not getting a lot of brood. I'll make that decision later this week. I'm gonna put that feeder back in, and I'll bring some syrup over here to put in, make sure they got plenty to eat. So let me see where I can find that feeder. I'll put it right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames in there, and the feeder. Looks like we're good for now. Now, like I said, I'll bring some syrup up and put it back in. But first, I want to get that wax into something. Well, I forgot my wax container, so I'll dump my matches out here and I'll just put it all in there. put that aside, and then I'll put my lid back on. Six frames of bees, one feeder, and queen right, (2023). Now just -24. This is 3, no, this is 5. I think it's 14th, 24. So there we go. There we have it. One hive inspected.